Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, let's begin. First, confirm the laptop's internet is active, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and make sure system drivers are current. On Windows, search Mobile Hotspot. On Mac OS, open Sharing Preferences. Once done, enable the laptop hotspot feature and set a clear SSID and strong password so only your device connects. Make sure the hotspot band, too, 4 GHz or 5 GHz, matches your phone's capability. This avoids connection failures and speeds up pairing. Now you'll fine-tune settings. Set WPA2 or WPA3 security and pick a memorable but strong password. Weak security invites problems. If your phone supports 5 GHz, select it for faster throughput. Otherwise, choose 4 GHz for better range. Limit allowed devices to 1 or 2 to reduce congestion and enable client isolation if available. Once configured, start the hotspot and confirm the SSID and password. This is what you'll use on the phone to join the laptop's network. On your phone, open Wi-Fi, locate the laptop SSID, and enter the password you set, then confirm connected. If browsing fails, toggle the laptop hotspot off and on. This resets NAT and DHCP and often fixes routing. Make sure the laptop's primary internet adapter is still active. If not, reconnect it. If problems persist, switch the hotspot band, restart both devices, or temporarily disable firewall software. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the laptop network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.